Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to change out the passenger side fog lamp on a Chevy Equinox 2020 LT trim. You're going to need a replacement lamp, a T15 Star bit, 7.5mm socket head, and a ratchet wrench just to make your life easier. You'll also need either a drill or some snips. We're going to have to modify one of the parts. I think it'll take you probably about 2 hours maximum from setup to cleanup. Hopefully this video helps it go sooner, but just plan for that just in case. I hope this empowers you to take care of your car. It was honestly pretty simple, doesn't require a lot of tools, so this is definitely one you can do yourself if you enjoy something like that. All right, let's get to it. Enjoy. These are the instructions that come with the lamp itself. You should not have to rewire anything. Basically, you're just doing the last couple steps of removing the old light, dismantling, and replacing the fog light, as you'll see in the video. This is the exact lamp that I got off Amazon. I will link it below. Unfortunately, got into an accident and my fog light is broken. Got a new one here, nice and shiny. You're going to pick out a T15 Star bit and unscrew all of the screws holding back the cover. Get a 7.5mm socket head. You might need an adapter, like I did, to change to a smaller square bit on the front. And here we're going to undo just one of the bolts underneath the car. Now you can peel this back, take a little peek inside. Hello. And unscrew this bolt on the top. This piece comes off. It might be broken, so be careful with yours. It might not be the same. And now we can look at all the bolts that we're going to remove. That's 1, 2, and all the way in the back is number 3. Hello. And in this house, nails are jewels, not tools, so we will be using a screwdriver to release this. And now we remove these bolts to start removing the old fog lamp. These you can just twist and they will release out of their sockets. Same with the bottom one for the turn signal. Now we're going to remove both of the lights from the new lamp. And here is the moment you've all been waiting for. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Looks like it fits, so we can start assembling these bolts back into place. Here we're just hand tightening to get them all into place. Then you're going to switch your ratchet to tightening and make sure these are all tight enough because this is what holds the fog lamp in place. Next, you're going to snap off these two things here. And this is where the fun begins. I noticed that these are different, so I end up checking out everything, and yes, both lights have different outfits, but no problem. I've got a drill. So we take out some material so that one of the pegs can fit better, and it does fit, so that's great. For this one I'm going to have to actually switch the light though because they were pretty different, but it does fit, it does come out. You just need to move that red tab down to release the light and then you can switch it out. It works! Now let's put it back together. Starting at the bottom, we're working in reverse. And make sure you put this one in because this is what holds your bumper on. Now we are going to push the cover back in It doesn't quite fit right there because mine's a little broken, but you get the idea. You're going to add all the screws back and check it out.